Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Fashion. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, cooperation, help, feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some beautiful, exclusive, pure silk collections only for you. So let me display. Very beautiful one, and this color is very attractive and beautiful, yellow with black. 26JX1 is saree code, 3700 is saree price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Vishnupuri silk with beautiful print, bright yellow shade with contrast black printed work, printed design, very beautiful. And this one is border portions, contrast black with temple pattern design, printed design border. And this one is full base part, fully beautiful printed one. This one is full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark, and beautiful printed. And this one is pallu part, very exclusive one, fully printed one, yellow with contrast printed pallu. And this one is full base part, very beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And this one is running blouse piece, plain yellow shaded running blouse piece, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4100 for your bright, beautiful, trendy looks. And this one also very beautiful color, pure cotton silk. 26JX2 is saree code, 4500 is saree price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk with weaving border. Let me open, beautiful color also. This one also is beautiful pallu. This one is full base part, pure cotton silk, and this one is border design, golden zari with beautiful temple weaving design border. Very exclusive one, beautiful color, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk with silk mark. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, multicolor fine stripes pattern pallu, very exclusive one. And this one is running blouse piece with border design, and this one is stripes pattern pallu, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk, pure handloom, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk with weaving border design with silk mark also. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4900 for your beautiful, elegant, exclusive looks, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk, weaving border and contrast color, fine stripes pallu, very exclusive one. And this one also same material, pure Vishnupuri silk print with silk mark. 26JX3 is saree code, 3600 is saree price. Very elegant, exclusive printed design, so white with black contrast looks, very exclusive one. This one also let me open, very beautiful one. This one is pallu portion, half portion to pallu, box pattern, white with black contrast box pattern printed design. This one is half part, very smart looks. And half part is stripes pattern. And this one is split section, this one is split section, splits to half part is stripes, and pallu end part is box pattern, very exclusive one. This one is splits, and this one is upper portion pallu part, and this one is running blouse piece, plain black running blouse piece, very exclusive one. This one is half part box pattern design, box pattern printed, and half split section is stripes pattern, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric stitching stripes work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4100 for your smart, trendy, elegant looks, very elegant looks, trendy one. And this one also very exclusive one, pure Tasar silk zari border and beautiful hand print. 26JX4 is saree code 4600 is saree price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, pure tussar silk with golden zari border. Let me open. Very nice one and beautiful hand printed, you know. This one is pallu part, fully hand printed, beautiful color, golden zari border, and this one is fully hand printed design, fully hand printed, very exclusive looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color zari stripes with beautiful contrast color stripes pattern pallu. Pure handloom, pure tussar silk with silk mark and golden zari border with beautiful printed, fully hand printed design. Very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, pure tussar silk. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5100 for your smart, elegant, exclusive, trendy looks. This one also, you know, very beautiful one, pure Vishnupuri silk with print. 26JX5 is saree code 3700 is saree price. Fully beautiful one, fully hand printed border and base also beautiful color. This one is, you know, full base part, bright color shade, fully hand printed one, pure Vishnupuri silk with hand print, contrast color printed border, and this one is full base part, beautiful printed one, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, full contrast color, fully hand printed pallu. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark. This one is full base part and this one is border, contrast color with hand printed border, and this one is, you know, running blouse piece, blue shaded running blouse piece. Very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable for your smart, trendy, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3900 for your smart, trendy, elegant looks. This one also, you know, very beautiful, exclusive looks. 26JX6 is saree code 4900 is saree price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Vishnupuri katan silk with weaving work. Let me open. With golden zari weaving border design also. Let me open. Very exclusive one. This one is, you know, full base part, black with contrast yellow work. This one is running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, pure Vishnupuri katan silk. This one is base part and this one is, you know, pleat section, stripes, yellow stripes with self stitching work, stripes work, fully weaving design, stripes pattern pleats. This one is pleat section, this one is pleats, this one is base part and this one is, you know, border design, contrast color with weaving design border, very golden zari with weaving design border. And this one is, you know, pallu end also very beautiful one, multi-color stripes pattern, stitching weaving design, stripes with multi-color fine stripes pattern pallu. Very exclusive one. This one is pallu part and this one is base part and this one is pleat section. Very beautiful, elegant looks. This one is pleats, black with yellow combined with weaving design, and this one is multicolors with stripes with weaving stripes design pallu. Very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure Vishnupuri, pure katan silk with weaving design border and pleats and pallu. Very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material with weaving design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5000 for your beautiful, exclusive, elegant looks. This one also, you know, very beautiful color, blue shade, royal blue. 26 JX7 is sari code 4500 is sari price pure Vishnupuri Katan silk with silver zari border and stripes pattern pallu. Very exclusive one. Let me open. This one is full base part. Pure Vishnupuri Katan silk with silver zari border. Beautiful color. Pure Vishnupuri Katan silk with silk mark. This one is silver zari fine border. Very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also multi-color stripes, fine stripes design. Pallu very exclusive one. This one is fully pallu part. Multicolor stripes with highlighted lines, golden zari highlighted lines. Very beautiful stripes design. Pallu, and this one is full base part. Beautiful royal blue set, silver zari border, multicolor stripes pallu. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5100. 5100 for your beautiful, bright, exclusive, trendy party looks. This one also very elegant one, beautiful work, fully hand design, hand print. 26JX8 is sari code 3600 is sari price. Very elegant one, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and beautiful hand printed one. Very nice one. This one is full base part. Let me open. Off white base. This one is full base part, and this one is border portions, beautiful contrast color, fully hand printed border design. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations with fully hand printed pallu. Very beautiful one. And this one is full base part, off white base, contrast color, hand printed border, and this one is pleat section, beautiful hand printed pleat section. This one is pleats, this one is pleats part, and this one is running blouse piece, pleats, and this one is upper base part. Very exclusive one. This one is full base part with beautiful hand printed pallu. Exclusive, elegant looks. Same printed pleat section, patli pallu pattern, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5100. 5100 for your beautiful, exclusive, elegant looks. Also, very beautiful color, bright red shade. 26JX9 is sari code 3600 is sari price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Vishnupuri Katan silk. Full base part is plain. Very beautiful color, 3D cotton. This one is full base part, bright red set with silk mark also. This one is full base part, full base is plain, full plain. Very trendy, smart looks, pure Vishnupuri Katan silk. And I will suggest this silk material with polka weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4100. 4100 for your smart, bright, beautiful, exclusive, trendy looks. This one also very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations. 26JX10 is sari code 4500 is a sari price. Beautiful color, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Vishnupuri Katan silk, golden zari weaving border. Let me open. Very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful color, wine purple shade, pure Vishnupuri Katan silk, and this one is golden zari border and fine golden zari weaving design, temple weaving design border portions. Very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Vishnupuri Katan silk with silk mark, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Let me open. This one is pallu part, multicolor, fine stripes design pallu. This one is pallu. This one is pallu part, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, multicolor fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one is base part, and this one is border golden zari and weaving design border, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast self weaving with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5100 for your beautiful, bright, elegant looks. This one also, very exclusive one, pure Tasar silk with print. 26JX11 is saree code, 4600 is saree price, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Tasar silk with silk mark and beautiful printed one. Let me open. This one is pallu section, stripes, multicolor printed stripes. This one is golden zari border, pure Tasar silk, and this one is pallu end, golden zari stripes with multicolor stripes pattern, very exclusive one. And this one is pleats section, very nice one, beautiful printed pleats. This one is pleats, and this one is running blouse piece. This one is a pleat section, and this one is multicolor printed stripes pattern base part, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure Tasar silk with silk mark and beautiful print, golden zari border. And I will suggest this silk material digital printed with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5100 for your exclusive, trendy, smart looks. This one also very beautiful color combinations, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk, 26JX12 is saree code, 3600 is saree price, very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations and print, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and beautiful print. Let me open. This one is pallu end, beautiful multicolor stripes with printed pallu. This one is pallu part, and this one is full base part, stripes pattern with beautiful printed design base part. This one is full base part, multicolor stripes with highlighted design printed, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark, and this one is border portions, contrast color with beautiful print border, and this one is full base part, stripes pattern with print, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is half portions, magenta pink shade, contrast border printed, and this one is half portion stripes with beautiful printed one, pure Vishnupuri silk with print. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4100 for your smart, beautiful, trendy, elegant looks. Also beautiful color, peach, light peach shade, 26JX13 is saree code, 3600 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk, 3D cotton silk, plain, full base part is plain, very beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure silk with silk mark. This one is full base part, beautiful color, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, soft, lightweight, comfortable, full base part is plain, very trendy, exclusive one. This one is full base part, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk. And I will suggest the silk material with heavy weaving contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4300 for your beautiful, elegant, bright, exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful one, 26JX14 is saree code, 3600 is a saree price, same material, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk with silk mark, beautiful color, dual effect, dual tone, red with green. This one is full base part, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk, soft, lightweight, comfortable, and full base part is plain, very trendy one. This one is full base part, pure Vishnupuri 3D cotton silk. And I will suggest this silk material with butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your beautiful, elegant, trendy, smart looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is 9933421233. Keep browsing our website. There are many beautiful collections. You can make online order through our website also. All over India, we have free shipping, cash on delivery. This one also, beautiful one, pure Tasar silk with a hand print. 26JX15 is saree code, 4600 is saree price. Beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, pure Tasar silk with a zari border, and full base part is beautiful hand printed one, kalamkari hand printed, and this one is full base part. This one is pallu and beautiful hand kalamkari print. This one is pallu end, golden zari stripes with beautiful hand printed kalamkari, hand printed. This one is base part, black with kalamkari print and hand print, and this one is diagonally printed. The full base part, red with black contrast looks, very bright one, golden zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Soft, lightweight, pure Tasar silk with silk mark, exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5200 for your beautiful, bright, elegant looks. This one also, very beautiful one, beautiful color. 26JX16 is saree code, 4500 is saree price, very beautiful one, purple base with golden zari border, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk, and pallu is very beautiful one. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu end. Beautiful multicolor stripes pallu with highlighted golden zari lines. Pallu very exclusive one. This one is full pallu part, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk, golden zari border, and contrast color stripes pallu. Very smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material with a heavy weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your bright, beautiful, elegant, smart looks. And today I have draped a beautiful pure Vishnupuri silk with print, black with white contrast border, and beautiful printed one, pure black base, and pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark. And this one is pallu also off white base, contrast color, and beautiful printed one, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure Vishnupuri silk print. 3700 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.